Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to add screen record button to the control center on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you. To add screen record button to your iPhone's control center, start by unlocking your device. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. Once there, press and hold on any empty area to enter edit mode. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Add a Control option. Tap on it. This brings up a list of controls that you can include in the control center. Scroll down until you locate the Display and Brightness section, where you'll find the screen recording option. Tap the screen record button to edit, then tap on an empty area to exit edit mode. That's it. If you found this video helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.